Bitvae cordless toothbrush. We have here is the Smart S2 electronic toothbrush, Bluetooth. So let's get a nice close-up look and see what we get inside the box. Bluetooth toothbrushes are great. We got a toothbrush here, we got a USB cable and the accessories. So what we do is we open up the package and we start to take out each of the modules. Simply download the application for iOS or Android. Open up the app and simply follow the instructions. As we wait for the app to start, we sign in. We are ready to sign in. You can go to the application and start to work things where it benefits you. So we're going to add the device by simply grabbing our Bluetooth cordless toothbrush. Comes in a nice case. Bitvae. Well packaged. Dedicated USB cables and toothbrushes. Carefully go over everything because everything has a description and detail. This is your USB cable. It is dedicated with a thin plug and Velcro strap. Plugged into the power source, you're going to charge it through the base and lie down. Notice the flashing indicator for charging and 5 replacement brushes, W shape. While the unit's in charge, we hit the on button. You notice a red light on top. We're going to unplug the unit. There's enough power here so we could turn the unit on. As you hear it working, there is a button named Smart. These you can't press. There are 2 little indicators on the back so the unit can rest like so comfortably and not spin over. With the application, we're going to add the device, searching for device. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The Bluetooth light turns on for the device connection. 1, 2, 3. If it doesn't work, you're going to have to now hold it for 3 full seconds or longer. And there is the light down here. It is blinking. And we need to do this correctly. We need to follow the instructions, select the device to pair, hold the button for 1, 2, 3. And there we go. So as you can see, we showed you the incorrect and now the correct way how to hook up. It is the S2. We're going to save it. It gives you a green indicator that is saved, and you can add an additional device. If you press on the S2, follow the dynamic guide of the 4 zones, 12 side teeth models for deep cleaning. As you go through all the information provided, let's start brushing. We have a beginner's plan that tells you exactly how to get things going. Smart Custom, morning cleaning, night cleaning, and so forth. Beginner's plan, polishing, gum massage, freshen your breath, and so forth. These are the things that you could use on your actual toothbrush. You could change the time, the pressure, and so forth. When you hit the Smart Brush or Start Brush, it will tell you how to brush your teeth. It has music, a simple song, and it tells you to turn your toothbrush on. And you start to brush as you can hear the toothbrush going and how you would brush your teeth. And when you're all finished, you simply turn the toothbrush off and the machine will shut off. Now the question is, can we choose a different song to play? You got a message down below with no data. You have rewards for brushing your teeth and so forth. You can redeem the rewards at the site and for other products indeed. We never had this when we were kids. You have a help desk, feedback, and about, and a language. So in order to start brushing, if you like a soft tip and you want to get replaceable heads, check online. It's very simple to hook up. I'm demonstrating like so before we go to the actual demonstration. So we're going to turn the unit on. Oh man, isn't that neat? It plays tunes for you. White, soft, gum care, smart. So when you finish and following the instructions it's telling you to do, man, you've been brushing for 18, 20 seconds. You got a child that just doesn't want to brush their teeth. Oh man, this may be right for you. So you're going to put some toothbrush paste on. You're going to take your smartphone and open up your application, and you're going to hit start brushing. You're going to hit the on button. Woo, man. Two minutes. You did your whole mouth for cleaning. So now we got a tongue cleaner. I guess that's the tongue cleaner. Now we're going to floss. And we're going to mouthwash. And we're done. That is awesome. You can pick the cleaning mode you want. Whitening, soft, gum care, smart, charge. When you shut the application off, that's it. You don't have to turn the toothbrush off. So if you're looking for an awesome toothbrush to clean, and when you want to change your head, you just pull it. To put it on, you simply just press on like so and pull. It doesn't have a solid base. It takes a long time to run down, and it sits elegantly on your countertop. You put the cap on to protect your toothbrush, so the next time you're ready to brush, off you go. I hope this product is something that you're looking for. Definitely, today's innovation times, oh wow. That beats my standard toothbrush for sure. I hope you enjoy your cordless toothbrush.